Oh, I guess. Mango. Ay, mango. Mango. Right. And this, otap.
Hi guys! Katatapos lang ng morning seminar namin. So look at this. Ito yung mga napanalunan natin sa prizes na mga pinamimigay nilang voucher. Look at this. We have otap from Cebu.
Otap from Cebu. Patalubong pwede.
And then, dried mangoes from Cebu. And then meron pang isang
wow, that's what I like. It's butter biscuit, isn't it?
Rosquillos.
Rosquillas. With butter yan, I'm sure.
I think so. Dried mangoes ulit yung laman.
So, okay.
And this is dried mango. And also this, we have a voucher worth
the last one but not the least is our voucher for tonight for dinner. Worth
2,000. So, pwede kami kumain ng
worth 2,000 pesos.
Nanki Japanese restaurant. Worth 2,000 voucher.
So, we're going to eat at Japanese restaurant tonight. Right?
Yes, it's a gift card from Nanki Japanese restaurant.
Japanese restaurant. So
later.
Happy
Hey guys! For today, we're going na sa
at the Japanese restaurant.
yes.
And we're going to have
Check po. Check.
yeah. Kung tanggalin mo sa'yo.
So walking distance from here lang. So we're going na sa Japanese. Ano pangalan? Kori ba po? Kori. Parang ganon.
Basta it's a Japanese restaurant.
Yes, may mga kasama kami. Ayun sila.
And over there is our restaurant.
Yes, malapit sa entrance daw ng resort. So see you there. Anonki. It's Anonki. Hey.
Bakit ba? May...
Yes, oo.
Dito na kayo.
Pwede na po. Iwan table na lang po natin.
Anong table po? Anong table?
Ano po? Counter 6.
Serve ko na? I-serve ko na?
Ikaw po ba? Isa sa po. Isa sa Salmon.
na din siya. Nagtoy-toy